Hi, so I'm gonna just be running a few errands before I go to the gym.
Okay, so I'm just gonna be dropping this off at work, BRB.
I dropped off the goods, but funny story, I finally met my staff member, the other concierge. I've always seen her name. I never met her, but I finally put a face to the name. So I'm out of breath. Bro, I'm literally such a dumbass. I'm at the light. I just handed in my gift and I just realized I didn't take the tags off. I keep looking for these dang black grapes that my family keeps raving about. They don't have it. They never have it. I can never find it. I don't know what they're talking about. The black grapes that they have aren't the ones that like my parents show me. Because I bought it once and they're like, that's not it. I don't know. Tried Christmas shopping. Didn't see anything, so yeah. I'm being so bad this year with Christmas presents. Okay, but like today was my first like official day of trying to start going Christmas shopping, and Christmas is next week, and it was an epic fail. I did not find anything. Come here, let me see your belly. Let me see your belly. Let me see your belly. Hi. Oh, hey! Hey! Hi. So, like, I'm wearing a Philippines shirt since yesterday she won. I finished at the gym and it's dark out. It's so dark out. Excuse me. I was calling this thing Obi-Wan Kenobi juice, saying it wasn't it. And I was like, you're so disrespectful. That's it. But it's actually Yoda and she's right. Okay. So I just put some like salt and pepper on it, and then I just waited for the butter to like brown. So yeah, now I'm just gonna put it on. I ended up making the whole fish, which is a lot of fish, but there's that. I have more. It's brown. It's the butter. It's good and crispy. That's all that matters, it's crispy. Ooh, nice and crispy. Now I'm just making some of this, and then it's gonna take like 5 minutes. Okay, probably not the best presentation. I'm probably gonna grab more salmon after this. But yeah, I just have potatoes and my salmon. And my potatoes just got out the microwave, so that's the steam. But yeah, she crispy and good. I braided my hair so it's curly tomorrow, and this just keeps turning. Whatever. Bye. I'm falling. Okay, but like, look how like cute she looks on the inside.